What's up guys, it's Greta, and today we are going to do something fun. We're going to do heatless curls. I just want to welcome you to this video. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing if you enjoy this. I do a lot of hair content and also education, so be sure to give this video a like, comment, and subscribe. So I'm going to be recreating a video that I saw on Instagram, and if you haven't seen it, basically it's your hair wrapped up in a sock and then the sock wrapped up into the hair. You've probably seen it. So basically this is what I'm going to do. I have some socks, I have some clips. I just washed my hair. It's a little damp, but it's also a little dry, but it's moldable. So we're gonna work on, I don't know, I'm trying to decide if I wanna do 4 or if I just wanna do 2. It's like I got a lot of hair, but it's like finer. Do I wanna sleep with 4 socks in my hair or do I wanna sleep with 2 socks in my hair? Probably the latter. I took out 4 socks, so let's just do 4 socks. I already parted my hair straight down the middle and like parted it in half in the back too, so it's down the middle, the back of my head as well. So let's just part it now from like behind the ear, from the top to behind the ear, like so. And I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in a hairband, just so it's out of my way while I work, because I'm gonna do both front sections first and then I'll go to the back section. So nice little ponytail there. Okay, same thing here. Feels roughly the same. Okay, so my 2 sections here, my 2 lovely ponytails here, out of my way. Let's work with one side and then go to the other side. Basically, I was trying to think of if I want to do my sock inside out so that when I roll it up, it's right side out and it looks cuter. Not that that matters at all, but well, I just turned it inside out. So I'm going to use smart wool socks because they're my favorites. So I think what I'm gonna do, see, I've done this where like I clip it here and start wrapping it up here. I've never done it where like you don't add in hair. So let's see how this goes. I think it'll be easiest to like tuck it behind my ear, open side down, and like kind of set that here and then clip it in place. And then I want this to curl away from the face, so I'm just gonna start wrapping it around the sock. Should I like start higher? No, it'll be fine. I don't think they use any hair elastics. So once you spiral it all around, I'm just gonna like stick my hand in the sock, reach the end, and just kind of like pull it up and over. Okay, that's definitely not tight enough. I'm gonna have to use like a hairband right here. I don't know. Okay, let me grab a hairband because I did not anticipate this part. I'm trying to open this thing one-handed. Okay, hairband. Just regular, you know, hairband. Right at the top. but like still covering the sock. So I think the cool thing is the sock is gonna keep the hair in place, so I hope it's not like so frizzy, but like, that's pulling a lot. I might go back to that and see if I can do it better, but I'm gonna go to this one. Did I mention my socks are clean? Because they are. I think that's important to mention. This is literally insane. Okay, I have to watch the video again. No, I guess hers look just as loose. They use like really long socks. Although that girl has like super long hair. Alright, let's just try the back. I just don't really understand, like, because they don't show you how to do it. They just show you like them taking it out. So I wonder if I can like hold it and just start wrapping it and have it stay in place. Okay, well that actually worked, so that's good news. You literally can't even see what I'm doing. I'm just like worried that if I just leave it like that, it'll fall out. So that's why I'm putting these hair bands at the base, or at the, yeah, whatever, at the top of this. Because I don't want all of this hard work to go to waste. I can't disappoint my viewers. How do I look? Like a poodle? I've done a lot of weird things, but this one feels really weird. The other times where I've done socks, they're like tight to the head and they don't move. Your hair like covers most of the sock, and so like you don't look like you got socks in your hair. This one looks like I've got socks in my hair. Okay, the back ones feel a lot better. I'm gonna redo the front. Hopefully I can get it so the hair isn't like pulling like two strands. And well, I already gave it some movement there. Maybe I'll start higher. I don't want to miss anything here. Maybe like go back more with it. Oh man, I missed the sock. There we go. Okay, that feels like way better. You're just in time because my boyfriend just got here. Should I let you see his reaction? How amazing I look. So this is it. Hopefully I can sleep okay. And we'll see what happens. I'll let you know in the morning. I'll be completely honest with you. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. My boyfriend is just outside my door. I'm waiting for him to come in.
Are you in the middle of filming?
No. How do you like my hair?
You look good. I like the socks. It's a good touch.
Thanks so much.
What's up?
I went through quite the hassle to shower and wash my face this morning. But sleeping was actually way more comfortable than I had even hoped for. Because I sleep on my back the whole back of my head is totally flat there, so it didn't bother me like one bit. And even to turn on the side, these just kind of moved over so I could like lean on the side. It really wasn't that uncomfortable, and for that I'm super happy. So if I like how this looks when I take it out, potentially something I could do more often. So without further ado, let's take these socks out and see what they did to my hair. I'm gonna start in the back. They definitely got looser. I'm just gonna take all the hair bands off first, I think. I'm glad I did the hair bands because these definitely would not stay on overnight without them, because this is already like, look how much further down that's fallen already by taking off the hair bands. So yeah, without them I don't think this would have worked well. Maybe it's, I don't know why it would just be like my socks aren't tight enough. I really don't see how they did that in that video. I don't really understand the part, but anyway. Oh. Wow. Okay. Let's do the front one. The front I'm a little iffy on, like for the front. I'm looking over the camera into the mirror that I have behind my camera. Okay. I could see some Hollywood waves coming out of these. If I did them all the same direction. Wow. I don't know why I'm surprised. Like I've literally done sock curls before. Okay, but it just looks good, right? Okay, last one. Don't like that. Don't like that. I guess I could touch it up with the iron if I really wanted to. I don't want to, but I'm probably gonna so that I feel comfortable wearing it. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna brush it out. I'm gonna brush it and see what comes of that. Put my socks back together here. It's so warm in here under all these lights. And let me tell you, I had quite the time putting a turtleneck on over the socks in my hair. Totally my fault. My choice of clothing. But yeah, that was I don't know why I did that. Let's brush this out. Okay, here's the problem I first saw happening. I forgot to put in my anti-static product last night before I put the socks in. So, my hair might get really staticky, which I'm like not super thrilled about. Like I can hear this. How do I feel about this? How do, Give me a second here. Definitely like that is not cute. Like this one, there's like little curls at like the very bottom of them, but like I feel like I wanna like curl that, you know what I mean? I'll be right back. Well, this is it. I'll show you the back. Okay, I only recurled these front pieces. That's it. So everything else is like from the socks. Well, I want to hear what you guys think. So, would you try this after seeing me test it out? Do you like it? I think the thing that like has me hesitating about it is like that. Like totally straight and then lump and then like, I don't know. Here's a problem. I actually don't love curly hair on me. I prefer like waves or straight. So like, I think I'm kind of hypercritical about anything like curly. I love big hair, like voluminous, or like straight, but sometimes like curls, for some reason, like I don't love them. I think it looks fine. You tell me in the comments down below if you like this, and if you'd try it out. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, enjoyed my reaction to it. And if you have any requests for videos you want to see next, please leave those in the comments down below as well. And give this video a like if you enjoyed it. I hope to see you again soon, and to be sure that you are here when my next video comes out. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you know exactly when it comes out. And like I said, I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys. Okay, I take it back. I like it. Okay, bye.